There's a problem that we see with the 2.4-liter Toyota engines. The cylinder head bolts pull the threads out of the block after it gets hot. So we're going to repair the threads with inserts. So now we go through there until we find the top of the thread. Get our little ruler. Right there. Alright. It is a smidgen over 3 inches. While we're fixing, we'll use this to make sure we're lined up to that hole before you tighten those down. Okay?
Tighten it up?
Tighten it up. Length of this would be 25 millimeters or about an inch. And add that to my 3 inches. By my second grade math, it gives me 4 inches. And the top of that cutting edge to the line is 4 inches. So we already got the line, so we don't have to mark it again. We'll put our drill stop on so that we don't screw up and go past. Alright, let's clean out the drill. A lot of thread, a lot of metal that time. That's cutting real well now. Now for the tap. Let's clean that out, see what she looks like. Tap. I'm going to go to this line right there. Close to the line. Tap bottomed out at the line. A bit of special oil on the insert, on the drive. Screw the insert on part way. Get a little bit of Loctite on it. Come on, there you go. Alright. Now we're ready to drive it home. Yeah, the guide isn't really used to guide anymore, it's just used to give us a line to stop at. But the instructions also say go until it's tight.
fit, huh?
Yeah. I guess maybe it's just a line so we know about where we're at. Getting tight. It also says within 1/8 of an inch is good. Yes. Tighten down now. Snug it up. This will give us a great repair for this vehicle. As you can see, the threads are well seated and in great shape. Here's two different views for you.